What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Fletch. Oh my god, I gotta wipe this car down again, bro. Pollen and bird doodle. What the fuck? Oh, my GoPro fell. Today, man, I'm about to go meet up. The freaking GoPro fell. I'm about to go meet up my boy Damon. He about to do a little photo shoot with my car on the highway. Then after that, I don't know if you guys remember, I had about 2 years ago, I had a car meet. And I'm about to do the same thing again. I'm hosting another car meet today. So we're gonna see how that goes. I wonder if I gotta wet this GoPro mount. I probably gotta wet it for it to stick. But yeah, I'm about to go meet up with him right now. And get back to y'all.
A few moments later.
Should have took his bean bag off. Should have took his off. Window, right?
What were you hanging out the window?
So I do.
See, I knew it was you. Right?
I do car photography.
Gotcha.
I was just trying to.
I figured that's what it was. I just knew it was you.
Wait, you guys met before?
No.
I
knew it was.
I was about to say.
When I see I was coming this way, and I got the call for a white vehicle, someone hanging out something with a vehicle. Right?
Yeah.
It don't make sense. Right?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just try not to do that.
Oh, alright. I am done. I was just trying to get a few of my buddy before I head out.
You got your license? Not you, because you're driving.
Yeah, I got my license.
Yo, we really just got pulled over, bro. We really just got pulled over by the state trooper, bro. Home was mad cool, though. He was mad cool, bro. He was mad cool. He was just like, oh, just don't be just hanging out the car like that. Don't want you to, like, lose your camera or anything. You know, he was cool. He was mad cool. He was a cool cop. He was a black cop, too, so it's like, yeah, look out for the brothers, man. But I'm about to go, I'm heading to the lot right now. My lips is chapped. I'm about to go get some CarMax real quick at Mobile and then head over to the spot. Yeah, man. I was gonna get KFC, but I'm gonna go get like 2 Nutriments, man. I'm gonna get 2 Nutriments and head over to the spot and then wipe my car down a little bit more. Just wait for people to start rolling in, man.
I thought I was in the wrong spot, you know.
Nah, this shit in the cut. That's how I was trying to tell everybody. This shit literally is hidden. Here you go. This stock ass nigga in his S4. At least it's 6-speed though. It's good, my guy. It's good, my guy. You gonna leave me hanging? Damn! You gonna leave a black man hanging?
I'm sorry, Gango. I'm sorry.
Look, Sammy in the Type R. Woohoo! It still sound good as fuck. Then we got Samantha in the Type R. Blicky, boy. the boy.
Nah,
The boy down on Blicky.
Oh, my bad, bro.
You good?
Get out.
All the way coming in this motherfucker. God damn, that shit is fucking sick. Yo, go back, go back. Yeah. Yeah, must be nice. That boy Baddick. That boy Baddick. Oh, I should have warned niggas, bro.
I smacked the shit out
I
of
should have warned niggas, yo. Nigga, yo, exactly how he scraped right here, I scraped coming all the way in. I should have warned niggas. Yeah, alright, that shit fully built. One fast guy, yeah. Oh, fast man, oh, this nigga wildin'.
Yeah, I just keep going.
Nah, right. Let me see if it's wet. Yeah, you straight, you straight. You straight, bro.
Straight right there.
Yeah, hold on, let me check the front, cause he about to air out.
Nah, he good.
Nah, but he about to air out though. Go down.
No, just slam it.
Nah, but his lip.
No. Yeah, all the way.
Yo, this side's already on the floor.
Yeah, it's all. Wait.
Nah, wait.
Oh, no.
Wait.
I heard it flex. Stop.
Nah, stop. Nah, go back up. Go up.
Stop now.
Go up, bro. You're bumpering. Go back up, bro. You're
But
bumpering.
that's just a piece of shit.
Nah, nigga. The bumper was folded. This a Nismo. This little piece of shit.
No need to
His mod is the. This guy got the Ray and nephew. Oh my god.
I don't know what it's called, but. Ferry! What's good, man? Chilling?
No, damn right. They got that on YouTube and all, you know what?
Which is right.
Yeah. Bah, they hold them.
Yeah, the push down. Yeah, dude.
And then there. Thing I do. Oh my god, 6. Only way, nigga. Everything out there at 6 p.m. What the fuck? My boy got under. I can't feel myself and everything. That's how you fucking do a fucking meet, nigga. Fuck, that's the only shots I want to hear, nigga. Fuck. To them. Come on.
4.5.
I miss my shit.
Nothing left to chat. Pass forward, just walking.
This man done left, came back with another fast car. It's EPS, bro. Nah, it got EPS, bro. You know that?
Yo, these are the shits you was telling me to get. These ones?
This car got EPS, bro.
This one.
Alright, guys, man. That's gonna be the end of this video, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this nice little vlog, I would call it. Nice little Sunday. It was a good turnout. Got some nice rollers. Had a nice little chill meet. Got some nice content, man. Had fun with the gang. So yeah, man, we lit, man. Stay tuned for the next video, man. I just got in touch with AirTech. They said expect for Monday. I'm not sure if that's just management. Not sure if that's the bags. I'm not sure if that's everything, but we're gonna see. They didn't send me tracking yet. He said he's gonna send me a tracking, so I don't know if it's shipping Monday or if it's arriving Monday. I don't know. We're gonna see. But stay tuned for the next one, man. Comment, like, and subscribe, man. Your boy Fred Flex, man. We're out of here. Peace.